over 60? Then listen carefully. Most seniors make one simple mistake every morning that speeds up aging. But today, I'll show you how to reverse it. Starting with your very next meal, welcome to Golden Years Health, where we help you stay stronger, sharper, and healthier after 60. If you want more energy, better mobility, and a lifestyle that keeps you active for years, this video is for you. Let's begin with the wellness secrets that Japanese and European long-lived seniors follow every day, simple, natural, and science-backed. 1. Start your day with hydration. But add this twist. Most seniors drink water, but not enough. Start your morning with 1 glass of warm water plus a pinch of mineral salt or lemon. This boosts digestion, joint lubrication, and brain alertness, and reduces morning fatigue. 2. The healthy aging diet. The 4-color plate rule. To keep your heart healthy and your digestion smooth, follow this. Green, spinach, kale, broccoli for bone and eye health. Red, tomatoes, berries for heart protection. Yellow, bok choy orange, carrots, sweet potatoes for skin and immunity. White, brown, oats, quinoa, nuts for steady energy. This simple color method ensures your body gets all essential nutrients without counting calories. 3. Protein. After 60, do not skip. After age 60, your muscles naturally weaken. Aim for 20 to 25 grams protein per meal from eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, chicken. This keeps you strong, prevents falls, and slows aging. 4. The 10-minute movement rule. Most seniors think they must walk for an hour. Wrong. Just 10 minutes of easy movement after each meal improves blood sugar, heart health, digestion, weight control. Even a slow home walk works. 5. Add omega-3 foods daily. For younger joints and sharper memory. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, salmon, olive oil. These reduce inflammation and support brain health. 6. Night routine. That slows aging. 1 hour before bed. Switch off screens. Take warm herbal tea, chamomile or ginger. Stretch your legs for 2 minutes. This helps deep sleep. The #1 anti-aging tool if you are over 60. Healthy aging isn't luck. It's simple, daily habits. Start with 1 tip from today's video. Hydrate, add colors to your plate, move after meals, and protect your brain with omega-3s. If you found this helpful, tap subscribe and stay with us for more senior wellness and healthy aging tips. Stay young at heart. Your golden years can truly be your best years.